plants are actually animals? What do you mean?
Because people feed water.
I don't think I understand what you're saying, honey.
Do they eat dirt?
What, the animals?
Do they eat up the soil when they grow?
What does?
What, a plant?
Well, honey, not that many plants grow out here because it's so hot, so they have to be plants that store a lot of water, are very dry, or don't need very much water.
But which is the driest place ever, Arizona or the Sahara Desert?
Well, the Sahara Desert's pretty hot. This is part of the Mojave, I believe.
The
Mojave Desert. Mojave's pretty hot. Sahara's probably hotter. You get closer to the equator and you get hotter.
Which is closer to the equator? The Mojave?
I don't know. There's Sahara. I don't know. Sahara's pretty hot.
I thought the Sahara. I really thought the Sahara, Mom.
Okay.
The Sahara Desert is actually the hottest desert in Arizona. Wait, is it in Arizona? Where's the Sahara Desert?
I don't know. It's like in Saudi Arabia or something.
Saudi Arabia?
I'm not sure. We'll have to look when we go.
What state is it?
I don't know. It's in another country. I'd have to look at home. I can't remember.
Well, you used to remember, but now you can't.
Well, I used to be fairly good in geography, but
But now you can't remember where.
at the moment I can't remember it. You could roll down the window if you want to get a better shot.